Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session, I am going to discuss MCQs from triangles chapter. Let's start the first one. In the adjoining figure, you can see the first figure. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. D is a midpoint of AB and E is a midpoint of AC. Given DE length is 4 centimeters, we need to find BC. And you can see arrow mark. This mark indicates that DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC and D and E are midpoints, you can remember by using midpoint theorem. What you can say? DE is half of BC. Is it? And if you need BC, you can send this to other side. That means 2 times DE. If you want DE, half of BC is DE. If you need BC, BC is twice DE. That means 2 times DE. DE value is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 centimeters is BC length. Let's check the option here. Option C. First one, option C. 8 centimeters. Okay, is it clear? By midpoint theorem, these two are parallel and these two are midpoints. I can say that DE is half of BC or BC is 2 times DE. Second one, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC if AD is equal to 3 centimeters, BD is equal to 2 centimeters and AE is equal to 0.7 centimeters, then AC is equal to, this is your question. And in the figure, EC is equal to X given. And again you can see this arrow marks, it indicates DE is parallel to BC. Immediately we remember basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, intersecting other two sides at two distinct points, then the other two sides ratio is in proportion. Okay, by that I can say AD by DB. If DE parallel to BC, we can apply BPT ratio. BPT theorem is also called as Thales theorem. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD 3, DB 2. AE, substitute the values. EC we don't know, X. Cross multiply 2.7 into 2 by 3. 3 0.9 are 2.7. Now multiply 0.9 into 2, 1.8 centimeters. Is your answer completed? Most of the children will end your answer here itself. But actually in your question they asked AC length. AC. What is AC? AC is nothing but AE plus EC. We know AE. AE is 2.7 and EC length X. X means 1.8. That will be 4.5 centimeters. Check for the option. It is your option B. 4.5 centimeters. Third one. In the adjoining figure. You can go with this figure. Okay. XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Again I remember basic proportionality theorem. And here AX by AB is equal to asked. AX by AB is equal to. Do you know that by corollaries we can say this answer directly? What do you mean by corollary? Corollary, it is a proportion that follows from already proved proportion. So suppose let me say basic proportionality theorem ratios. So by using that proportion we are going to make another proportions. So corollaries are the proportion which follow already proved proportion, that is BPT. By using BPT ratios only, we are going to get corollaries. In triangles chapter, I have explained about BPT theorem, and after that converse. Then I have explained 3 corollaries. And by using some examples, I made you to understand all the ratios and corollaries. If you have any doubt, you can check through that chapter where BPT theorem was explained. There you go for all the corollaries. Then it will be very easy to understand. Now here in this problem, they asked what is AX by AB. AX by AB is just a corollary. So directly I can say your answer is AY by AC. If you want, you can compare the triangles like this. This is a small triangle AXY, and I am going to take a big triangle ABC. AX by AB. Small triangle, one side. AX, big triangle, same corresponding side. AX by AB is equal to AY by AC, and also XY by BC. So let me write all the ratios. AY by AC is equal to XY by BC. Let us check the options here. AX by AB is equal to option A, AX by AY. Do you have here? No. Option B, AX by XB. No. AY by AC. Yes, option C, AY by AC you have. So, AX by AB equal to AY by AC. So, you may get in option XY by BC or AY by AC, or all the 3 ratios at a time. So, observe your options carefully and answer these type of questions. So, which option is right answer? Option C. Option C, AY by AC. Fourth one, in the given figure, EF parallel to CA. Observe the figure here. EF parallel to CA. Okay. And next, FG parallel to AB. FG parallel to AB. Then, DE by EC is equal to dash. So, observe the given figure carefully. You can see 2 pairs of triangles. If EF is parallel to AC, so let me take this triangle separately. So, observe this triangle like this there. Yes. F, D, E, C, A. Okay, these 2 are parallel. Always these type of triangles, see the vertex first, then you don't do any wrong. If EF is parallel to CA, D is a vertex, right? Apply BPT. If these 2 are parallel, then the ratios are in proportion by basic proportionality theorem. Now write the ratios carefully. Start from D like this. DE by EC is equal to DF by FA. Okay? DE by EC is equal to DF by FA. Check for the answer. DF by FA there? No, we have another pair of triangles. Now observe this pair of triangles here, and let me draw the figure like this. D, F, G, A, B. FG is parallel to AB. Again, if these 2 are parallel, by basic proportionality theorem, I can say DF by FA is equal to DG by GB. Now compare these 2, 1 and this is 2. DE by EC, DF by FA. DF by FA equal to DG by GB. Compare these 2. We can see DF by FA and here also DF by FA. By axiom, what I can say, I can equate these 2. That is, DE by EC is equal to DG by GB. Right? So, where is your option? DG by GB? It is option A. Option A, dg by gb is your answer. Okay. So in before question, we can split and compare the ratios, or directly in the given figure, we can compare the ratios and write the answer. Okay. Let's move to the fifth one. In the given figure, AB parallel to PQ. This indicates AB is parallel to PQ. If PQ is equal to 1.5 centimeters and QC is equal to 2 centimeters. BQ is equal to 8 centimeters, then the measure of AB. What is this measure is your question. If PQ is parallel to AB, directly I can remember corollary of BPT. According to that, write the ratio. If these two are parallel, by using corollary of basic proportionality theorem, I can write the ratio PQ by AB is equal to CQ by BC. Observe carefully. Big triangle, small triangle. I am comparing small triangle PQ by big triangle corresponding side AB. And this side, small triangle side CQ by big triangle corresponding side BC. Okay. Substitute the values. PQ 1.5, AB we don't know. CQ 2, BC, DC, don't write here 8. BC means what? BQ plus QC. 8 plus 2, it will be 10. 2 ones, 2 5s. And then AB is equal to 1.5 into 5. AB is equal to 1.5 into 5, it will be 7.5 centimeters. Therefore, AB length is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So, which option is your right answer? Option B, 7.5 centimeters. Sixth one, this MCQ will be little difficult for you. Try to understand carefully. In the given figure, XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Immediately you remember basic proportionality theorem. That is, you can equate the ratios in proportion. Forget about XZ. Okay. Observe only XY parallel to BC. You can see ABC triangle. Forget about this line. Now write the ratio which is proportion. AX by XB is equal to AY by YC. Okay. Mark it as first equation. Now next point I am going to read here. XZ parallel to AC. XZ parallel to AC. Okay. Again, this triangle you can observe, or let me draw this separately here. Observe here carefully. Z, X, A, C. If these two lines are parallel, by basic proportionality theorem, I can equate the ratios in proportion. I know that by BPT, I can say that the ratios are in proportion. Which ratios? This is the vertex. B Z by ZC is equal to BX by XA. I will write this equation here itself. BZ by ZC is equal to BX by XA. Mark it second equation. Then AX by AB is AX by AB is equal to your question. So how can I find this? AX by AB means immediately you remember corollary of BPT. But one pair of triangle is like this and one pair of triangle is like this. So at this moment you need to think a little and you need to solve. Okay. Let me take this ratio. AX by AB and do the reciprocal. Reciprocal means I will write it as AB by AX. AB by AX. AB, you can write it as AX plus XB. AX plus XB by AX. Now split the denominator. AX by AX plus XB by AX. 1 plus xb by ax. 1 plus, what is xb by ax? xb or bx is same. xb by ax is nothing but bz by zc. Since by equation 2 I have written this. Instead of bx by ax, I have written bz by zc. Now do again LCM. zc plus bz by zc. What is zc plus bz? zc plus bz is nothing but bc. bc by zc. Now ab by ax is equal to bc by zc or cz. You can write any way. Now your question is ax by ab. Do again this reciprocal, that is ax by ab is equal to zc or cz is same, cz by bc. Okay, check for this option. Do you have cz by bc? Yes, you have in option C, cz by bc. Option C, cz by bc is your answer. So looks little lengthy, but try to understand carefully. Okay, is this clear? 7th one, in the trapezium, you can see a trapezium here. ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and the diagonals intersect at O. AC and BD are the diagonals. Both are intersecting at point O. Then OD by OC is equal to your question. We know if DC is parallel to AB. These two triangles, first you consider these two triangles. If these two lines are parallel, their alternate interior angles are equal. That means this angle equal to this angle and this angle is alternate to this angle. This is vertically opposite angle. So therefore what I can say, these two triangles are congruent and they are similar. If they are similar, we can equate their ratios. If they are similar, we can equate the ratios in proportion. So let us equate the ratios. OD by OB is equal to OC by OA. Observe here, they are asking OD by OC. Send this OC down and OB here. That means OB by OA is your answer. Okay. So in this way, we are going to solve in examination, in written examination. But here this is only MCQ. Directly you can say these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, then the ratios are in proportion. Which ratios you are going to compare? OD by OB is equal to OC by OA. Here OD by OC asked. That means OC bring here, OB send this side. OB by OA is your answer. Check for the option. Option A, OB by OA. 8th one, in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. In triangle ABC, D is a midpoint of AB and E is a midpoint of AC. Then the area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ADE. How can I find this one? So I remember in class 9 midpoint theorem. At that time what I have seen, these two are midpoints. Suppose if I take a midpoint here, then I get another triangle. So this triangle is 1/4 of the big triangle. Yes or no? So here how many triangles you are going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triangles. If you take any one triangle, that is 1/4 of the big triangle. Okay. Similarly, I can say that the area of this triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to 1/4 of triangle ABC area, or you can say area of triangle ABC. Check for the answer here. 1/4 area of triangle ABC. That is your option B. Option B, 1/4 of triangle ABC area. Okay. Area of triangle ADE is equal to 1/4 area of triangle ABC. Ninth one, in the given figure, XY parallel to BC. Observe the figure, XY parallel to BC, then AX by BX equal to. This is a direct question. If this line is parallel to BC, then I can remember basic proportionality theorem. By BPT, what I can say? The ratios are in proportion. Which ratios? AX by BX. I can write AY by YC I can write, or AY by CY also I can write. So here AX by BX there. Okay. So here also I will write AY by CY. Check for this option. Do you have this option? Yes. AY by CY. Option D. Option D, AY by CY. 10th one. In triangle ABC, PQ parallel to AB. Triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to AB. The correct relation is, you have 4 options. By seeing options, we need to answer this one. Okay, let us see the first option. BQ by BA. BQ by BA. Can you compare like this? No, I cannot compare. Option A is wrong. Option B, AP by PC is equal to BQ by QC. Yes, this is the right answer. Either you may say CP by AP equal to CQ by BQ, or AP by PC is equal to BQ by QC. Both the ratios are correct. So I go with option B, AP by PC is equal to BQ by QC. Okay, let me see C option also here. That is PQ by BQ. PQ by BQ. Can you compare like this? No, never. And now option D. PQ by QC. No, I cannot compare. So I go with option B. 11th one. In the given figure, angle ABC. You can see the figure here. Angle ABC means this angle. Okay. Is equal to angle AYX. This angle. Then the ratio of the corresponding sides is. Okay. We need to compare the two triangles and write the ratio of corresponding sides. See the figure carefully. This angle equal to this angle. So similar pattern I am going to draw the figure A, B, C. This angle, right? And now what about this angle? When you want to take this figure here, don't take as it is. Don't take as it is. Why? Angle B equal to angle Y. So according to given angle, this side you should get. Suppose if you have taken a triangle here. This is your small triangle. And this angle, corresponding angle is Y. You need to take in that manner. That means this point, you just imagine in your mind, take this Y angle, lift up and place here. That means like this you get. Okay. So this triangle, now place it here, A, Y, X. Now, if the figure is like this, it is very easy to compare the corresponding sides. Now compare AB. This is big triangle, and whereas this is little small children. If you want, you can reduce the size. Okay. This is small triangle. A, Y, X. Now compare the corresponding sides. AB by AY, BC by YX is equal to AC by AX. This angle is equal given, so accordingly I am comparing the two triangles. Let's go for option here. First option, AX by AC, AB by AY. So AB by AY, okay. AC by AX should be there. AX by AC, ulta bulta there. So this option is wrong. Option B, AX by AY. AX by AY, I did not get anywhere. So I think this option is also wrong. Go with the C option. AB by AX. No. AB, AY you need to take. So this option is also wrong answer. Go to option D. Option D, AX by AC. Where is AX by AC do you have? Okay, no problem. You can take first this side by this side or this side by this side. I think D option is right. And let us rewrite this ratio. Reverse the ratio. AY by AB is equal to XY by BC or YX by BC also. You can write is equal to AX by AC. Okay. Now see the option D. AX by AC, AY by AB, XY by CB. Yes, this is a right answer. That is your option D. Option D, AX by AC is equal to AY by AB is equal to 12th one. In the figure, DE parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. AD is to AB is equal to 1:2. AD by AB is equal to 1:2. And given BC is equal to 6 centimeters. Then what is DE? What is DE is your question. BC 6 given. So we know by corollary. By corollary what I can say? AD by AB is equal to, I don't want third side. I take this one. DE by BC. So the two triangles ratio is given. What is that? It will be equal to 1:2 ratio. Therefore, AD by AB ratio is 1:2. And we know BC, we don't know DE. BC value is 6. Now send the 6 this side. DE is equal to 6 by 2. That will be DE is equal to 3 centimeters. How? Suppose if you equate this ratio 3 by 6, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, understand the question carefully. AD by AB is equal to DE by BC I have written. Why? We know BC, we need to find DE. So equate with the ratio, you are going to get exact DE value, that is 3 centimeters. Check for the option, that is option C, 3 centimeters. 13th one, in the following figure, DE parallel to AB. You can see this one, DE parallel to AB. If AD is equal to 7 centimeter, AD is equal to 7 centimeter and CE is equal to 10 centimeters, CD is equal to 5 centimeters, the length of BE. If DE is parallel to AB, I remember basic proportionality theorem. If these two are parallel, then the ratios are in proportion. That means CD by AD is equal to CE by BE. CD value is 5 and AD value is 7. CE value is 10, BE value we don't know, so we write it as BE. Now cross multiply, BE is equal to 10 into 7 by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. BE is equal to 14 centimeters. Check for the option. Option B, 14 centimeters. 14th one, if in the figure XY parallel to BC, XY parallel to BC, AX is equal to 9 centimeter and XB is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 20 centimeter. Then XY. So then XY is your question and they have said XY is parallel to BC. By basic proportionality theorem, I can equate the ratios. But I can equate only these two ratios. Then this ratio if you want means you need to apply corollary. That is AX by AB is equal to XY by BC. AX value is 9 centimeter 9 and AB, add these two, 9 plus 7 it will be 16. XY we don't know, BC 20. Cross multiply. XY is equal to 9 into 20 by 16. Then this will be 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. 9 5s are 45. 45 by 4. Cancel this one. 4 ones, 4 ones, 10 left, point, 4 twos are 8. Again 2 left, 20. That is 4 5s are 20. 11.25 centimeters is XY length. Check for the option. And your option is option A, 11.25 centimeters. Okay. 15th one. See the figure there? In the figure, MN is parallel to PR. MN is parallel to PR. If Q1 is to NR is equal to 2:3 and PQ is 11.5 centimeters, then QM is equal to. So now QN by NR ratio given. Observe here, there you go with a mistake. Here BPT ratio QN by NR we are saying. But here we know QP. We don't know QM. QP, when we are considering big triangle, big side, we can directly go for corollary of BPT. That is QN by NR there. So I write it as QN by QR. What will be the ratio? 2, 3, right? 2 is 2. 2 plus, this is QN. 2:3 ratio there. If I talk QN, 2 only. And what about QR? 2 plus 3, that will be 5. QN by QR is equal to 2:5. And I need to find QN by QR is equal to QM by QP. What is QN by QR ratio? 2/5. QM, don't know. QP value is 11.5. So now QM is equal to 2 into 1.5 by 5. This will be 0.3. 0.3 into 2 will be 0.6 centimeters. Therefore, what is QM length? 0.6 centimeters. Most of the children will do mistake here where they have given QN by NR. We need to rewrite it as QN by QR. Okay. So they will directly take off here QN by NR and QM by QP they will take. That is wrong. Please observe carefully which ratio given and which side we need to find. So by corollary, QN by QR is equal to QM by QP. Directly you can find in this manner. Okay. So check for the option. Which answer is right answer here? So therefore your option is option D, 0.6 centimeters. Option D, 0.6 centimeters. 16th one, in the figure ABCD is trapezium and AB parallel to DC. You can see the trapezium here. AB parallel to DC. Which of the following is equal to AB by CD equal to is your question. Similar type of MCQ I have done before, right? So comparing the triangles, alternate angles, vertically opposite two triangles are similar. If they are similar, the ratios are in proportion. So similarly, I am going to write other two side ratios. So that is, we know AB by CD given here and write other ratios. OA by OD is equal to OB by OC. So which ratio you have in your answer? Let us check it out here. Is it AD by BC? No. For this you need to find the answer. AO by AB? No. BC by AD? No. OB by OC? Yes, this equal to this option is there in your question. Okay, suppose in your question if you have OA by OD, you go with that option. Right? So your option is option D, OB by OC. 17th one, in the following figure, You can see the figure there. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC. This angle is right angle and BD is perpendicular to AC. If AD is equal to 8 cm, CD equal to 2 cm, then length of BD is your question. So similar type of question I have solved in model paper. Many of the children asked, ma'am, how do you get that formula? So observe here children, we need to compare the triangles. Big triangle, this triangle, compare and equate the ratio, you get one formula. And big triangle, this triangle, if you compare, you get one more formula. And if you take small triangles, this and this, if you compare, you get another formula. I just give you a hint to remember the formula. So if you want AB, no, look here, AB square is equal to, AB square is equal to, which letter is touching hypotenuse A, right? This small part and big part you need to multiply. AD into AC. Just I am giving a technique to remember this. If you need BC children, you need to write BC square is equal to, which letter is touching hypotenuse here, right? From here, small part into big part. That is CD into CA or AC you can write. Suppose if you need this length, your formula is BD square is equal to AD into DC. See this if you want, this into this. Okay, the three cases, 1, 2, 3. So which one you are going to apply here? I need BD. So this formula I am going to apply. I know AD and DC. BD square is equal to, AD value is 8, DC value is 2. That is 8 into 2. 16, BD is equal to square root of 16. BD is equal to 4. So therefore, what is the length of BD? BD is equal to 4 centimeters. Similarly, if any question asked in exam, if they ask you now AB, what is AB length? It is very easy to find. AB square is equal to 8 into 8 plus 2 how much? 10. 8 into 10, 80. So square root of that you get the answer AB. By using these two, find AB length and BC length and answer comment me in the comment box. Okay. Now for this question, what is the answer? BD length is 4 centimeters. Check for the option. That is your option A. 4 centimeters. See, these will be applicable only in right angled triangle and a perpendicular arrived from the right angle vertex. 18th one, corresponding sides of two equiangular triangles are. Equiangular means what children? See, this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle. Right? Two triangles are equiangular. If they are equiangular, then what about the corresponding sides? They will be in proportion. So check for the answer. Is it equal? No. Parallel? No. Proportional. Yes, your answer is option C. Proportional. 19th one, in the given figure, you can see the figure here. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQC. The ratio of their corresponding sides is. So, let us write the ratios. Corresponding sides ratio. AB, PQ. And now BC, CQ. BC by CQ is equal to AC by CP or PC, both are same. So let's say the option A, AB by PQ, okay. BC by PC, wrong answer. So let's go to option B, BC by PQ, no. Option C, AB by PC, no. Option D, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QC, then CQ or QC both are same. AC by PC. Yes, option D is your right answer. Option D, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QC is equal to AC by PC. 20th one, in the figure, angle ABC is equal to angle AQB is equal to 90 degree. Then what is AQ by AB is equal to? Similar type of problem we have done. Suppose if these two angles are equal set. So how to do? Lift this Q and put it here. So just to imagine, okay. So this triangle, compare like this. AQP. So compare this big triangle ABC and small triangle. Similarly, corresponding angles you have. In that way only I have placed here. Now I am going to compare the ratio. AQ by AB. First small triangle they are comparing. Now first let us write the ratio and then we see the options. AQ by AB. Okay. Next. QP by corresponding side BC. And next. PA or AP. CA. PA, CA, right? The options AQ by AB. AQ by AB is equal to, is it BC by PQ? No. Option B, AC by PQ? No. Option C, QP by BC. Yes, this is the right answer. If in your option, if this ratio is given, then that is the right answer. Is this clear? So, AQ by AB equal to QP by BC. That is, your answer is option C, QP by BC. Okay. So